Well, got another one on. We caught about 7 or 8 off of this spot. We had 2 doubles. Once upon a time in this same spot, I got 64 without moving a boat on crankbaits. But today they 64 that day that you were along. Go get a double on there, Dave. Oh, you're too close now, huh? I was hoping you'd get a double. This one isn't very big. Dave got a really nice one. I got my camera in this one talking. Dave got a really nice one about 19.5 incher just a minute ago. I didn't have the camera running then. Here's what I'm using, a new version of the Ribster, which is I think they call it a Ribster swimming Ribster. And it's got just a little bitty paddle tail on it. The straight one works good too, though. I was catching them all earlier on the straight one. I just put this on for the heck of it. But you can see what it looks like. Now if Dave would hurry up and oh, he's got one. See, that didn't take long. We're into them doubles. We'll see if he can get it in. No, it won't work. I shouldn't cuss. Yeah, nice one this time. Bigger than mine, that's for sure. I don't know if I'd try it with that one. It's pretty big. You got the net behind you. You got to just guess, you know, if it's worth the effort or not. Well, we've caught over 20 off the same island. Can't tell. We've been catching bass like crazy in this one spot. Dave has to go and show off and catch big old bottom feeder. Oh!
Finger breaker. Spit this out anyway. That's good. Put that on it.
He got his on a regular Ribster. I got mine on that swimming Ribster. We'll get a. You want the glove?
Yeah.
You want the glove? Nice fish. All right, I'm gonna.